welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy J2. Now this is an updated video, so just in case if somebody did not see the first one, now you can be able to see the second one. Press the volume up, power button. Once the phone turns on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, scroll down to data, wipe data factory reset. Press the power button to agree. Press yes. Reboot system now. As you can see, the phone have been wiped clean. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.